September 2003, an unusual spacecraft known as Smart-1 was launched by the European Space Agency. It travelled to a geosynchronous orbit with 2 communication satellites, which kept launch costs down. After it separated from its booster, it unfolded a huge array of solar panels. Its destination was the Moon, and the solar panels would power its journey. Its ion thruster would fire at precise intervals to extend its Earth orbit into an elongated ellipse, eventually being captured by the Moon's gravity. An important part of Smart-1's mission was to assess the reliability of this propulsion system. During the 1970s, NASA's Apollo missions returned samples of lunar rock for detailed analysis. The oldest of the lunar rocks was slightly younger than the Earth, and although they mirrored much of the geology on Earth, there were some surprising anomalies. Since the Apollo missions, the Moon had largely been ignored. Smart-1 carried an infrared and an X-ray spectrometer. From orbit, it could record the chemical composition of the complete lunar surface. This data provided a detailed mineral map of the Moon. It suggested the Moon had been formed from the debris generated by a primordial impact between the Earth and a small planet. Toward the end of almost 2 years in lunar orbit, as its propellant load was running low, a last series of maneuvers was initiated to crash the probe onto the Moon's surface, at a location that could be seen from Earth. The impact happened almost exactly 3 years after its launch.